Welcome back to Medical Careers You Didn't Know About, where we shine the light on hidden roles that keeps healthcare running behind the scenes. Today, we're diving into a job that most people never heard of, but is one of the most important parts of healthcare revenue cycle, and that's the medical cash posting specialist. This is the professional who makes sure every dollar that comes from the patient and insurance company is posted correctly, balanced, and reconciled. In other words, they keep the financial heart of healthcare beating. If you're detail organized, if you're detail oriented, organized, or enjoy working with numbers, this could be the perfect career path for you. In this video, we will cover what a cash posting specialist actually does, the essential skills and tools that you'll need, how much you can earn, and how this role can help you grow into higher paying positions in revenue cycle. And here's something special. I'm giving away a free medical terminology guide to help you get familiar with key terms you'll encounter specifically in this role. You can download it in the link in the description below. Plus, if you'd like to take your career exploration even further, grab the medical cash posting specialist career roadmap PDF. It breaks down salary, advancement opportunity, certifications, and insider tips to help you succeed. It's also in the link in the description below. Before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone else who's exploring new healthcare opportunities. Let's get started.
Step into the world of infinite intelligence, where knowledge meets entertainment and brilliance. You'll find the answers to life's greatest questions. With every video we spark new obsessions. Infinite intelligence, we're here to elevate. Unlock your mind and let the wisdom resonate. We dive into the depths of the universe unknown. Infinite intelligence and knowledge is our own.
This is your career roadmap to becoming a medical cash posting specialist. A comprehensive guide for beginners and career transitioners seeking to master the art of healthcare payment accuracy and build a thriving career in revenue cycle management. Now, what does a medical cash posting specialist do? The core mission. Medical cash posting specialists are the financial guardians of healthcare organizations. They ensure every payment, adjustment, and denial is accurately recorded, connecting clinical services directly to financial outcomes. They think of them as the bridge between patient care and organizational sustainability. Without accurate posting, the entire revenue cycle crumbles. This role is distinct from a medical coder or a medical biller. While billers submit claims and coders translate diagnosis, cash posting specialists focus exclusively on payment accuracy and reconciliation. They verify that what was billed matches what was paid, and they track down every single discrepancy. Okay, so cash posting equals record all incoming payments accurately. Reconciliation is matching deposits to posted amounts daily. And financial accuracy equals maintain a 98 to 99 precision rate. Okay, now this is not a defiant day in the life of a cash posting specialist, but this does give you an idea of what your 8-hour daily routine will look like. Okay, so at 8 a.m. you're doing your morning review. You're going to be downloading electronic remittance files called the 835 from major payers, review overnight batch deposits, and prepare for daily reconciliation spreadsheets. Second, at 9:30 a.m., you're going to be posting your payments. Begin posting insurance payments into the EMR system, cross-referencing EOBs with billed charges, applying adjustments for contractual write-offs and patient responsibility. At 12 o'clock, you'll be problem solving, investigating payment variances, contact billing teams that denied claims, research why a Medicare payment doesn't match the expected reimbursement. 2 p.m. Pay patients payment payment patient payments. Posting patient payments from lockbox deposits and online payment portals. Apply credits to correct amount accounts and update balance information. And at 4 o'clock, your daily reconciliation. Verify all posted amounts, match bank deposits, resolve discrepancies, and prepare variance reports for financial teams. Document any unapplied payments for follow up. All right. And like I said, depending on if you work in a hospital setting or a doctor's office setting, these responsibilities are subject to vary. Now, what key responsibilities are we looking at? Okay. Accurately posting post insurance and pay, pay patient payments using both manual entry and electronic batch processing. Handle multiple payer types which include commercial insurance, Medicare, Medicaid, and worker compensation. All right. Secondly, we're going to analyze electronic remittance advices and EOBs, which is the explanation of benefits, to verify discrepancies, rejections, and or underpayments. Flag patterns that indicate potential billing or coding errors. All right. You're going to apply contractual adjustments, write-offs, and patient credits according to payer contracts and organizational policies, ensure proper documentation for all financial changes. All right. The daily reconciliation, balance daily deposits against posted amounts, identify and resolving discrepancies, prepare daily reports for financial teams, and maintain audit trails for compliance. And lastly, you're going to work closely with the billing team, accounts receivable, and financial departments to resolve unapplied payments, investigate denials, and ensure seamless revenue cycle operations. And we do have a pro tip at the bottom. In payment posting, accuracy is profit, and every keystroke tells a story. Okay? So, what is some of the technical knowledge that you will need to be successful at this position? You will need to be familiar with EMR systems such as Epic, Cerner, and Athena. We have payer portals and clearinghouses, advanced Excel functions, A35s and A37s, which are EDI file interpretations, which were their files, and you'll have to interpret them. Deposit reconcile tools, and banking and lockbox systems. Okay, some of the soft skills that you will need will be to meticulously pay attention to detail, data accuracy mindset, time management, confidentiality and discretion, analytical thinking, and problem solving abilities. Lastly, your knowledge base, HIPAA compliance requirements, revenue cycle stages, payer specific rules, EOB and ERA interpretations, contractual adjustments, and payer payment denial codes. All right. So all these aspects will be the foundation that you need to have for this role. All right. So, what will be the minimum requirements in regards to education and professional certification? Now, the minimum for education would be a high school diploma or equivalent is the baseline requirement. Strong math skills and computer proficiency are essential foundations for success in this role. All right. The preferred education is an associate's degree in healthcare administration, accounting, billing, or healthcare or health information management. This education provides deeper understanding for healthcare, finance, and regulatory requirements. All right. Next, we have professional certifications, industry recognized credentials that demonstrate expertise and commitment to excellence. We have the CRCS, which is a Certified Revenue Cycle Specialist, a CMRS, which is a Certified Medical Reimbursement Specialist, and a CPB, which is a Certified Professional Biller. All right. Now, next, we have one of the most important reasons why you're probably watching this video, which is your salary and compensation overview. Now, for the mid-level to entry-level to mid-level, the national average salary forecast posting specialist within the 1 to 3 year of experience ranges between 38K and 55K. We have that here, 38, and then 2 to 3 years, it could be around about 45 or whatnot. Okay. And then we're looking at a range between $18 to $26 an hour. Typical hours compensation range varies by geographic location and organization size. Lead and senior roles, experienced specialists in hospital settings, systems, and large CRM firms can reach this level with proven accuracy of the 65K plus. Compensation depends on several factors, including years of experience, daily volume handle, payer complexity, and geographic region. Large hospital systems and specialty practices typically offer higher salaries than smaller clinics. Remote positions may offer competitive rate to attract top client regardless of location. Okay? All right, so let's get into the work environment and performance standards. So, your typical schedule is a full time schedule Monday through Friday, typically 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Many organizations offer hybrid or fully remote positions, providing flexibility while maintaining productivity standards. Your accuracy expectations. Industry standard require a 98 to 99 accuracy in all posting. Even small errors can create significant financial discrepancies that cascade through the revenue cycle. So precision is non-negotiable. Okay? So you can't be, constantly posting payments to the wrong payer, that type of thing. All that messes up all the numbers that's playing in the background of who's ever looking at that information. Okay, productivity goals expected to process 200 to 500 line items per day, depending on volume, payer, mix, and complexity. High volume practices may have higher expectations, while specialty practices focus more on accuracy than speed. Okay, next, we have confidentiality and compliance. Strict adherence to HIPAA regardless of organizational privacy policies. Handle sensitive patient financial information with the utmost discretion, and maintain secure data practices at all times. All right. And lastly, collaboration requirements. Regular communication with finance, account receivables, and billing teams for end of the month reconciliation, which must be and you must be able to explain variances clearly and work cooperatively to resolve payment issues. So you might have something going on with the system that's enabling you to, for instance, I'm gonna give you an example of what I'm talking about. Currently in my job, we have an issue where we have $0 payments being posted to the wrong account. So if the payer has, if the patient has a UAC dual plan and they have UAC Medicaid community, it's called UAC community, which is a Medicaid plan, as secondary, they're posting the $0 payment to the primary rather than secondary. And so we're having to send it back to cash posting so they can move the payment to the correct thing. But that's not a cash posting. It's not, some of these payments are automatically applied. So that's not a cash posting error, but I have to send it back for them to correct the error because the system is continuously posting it to the wrong plan. Okay? So being able to, for one, identify that on one end and then send it back to cash posting so they can fix it on their end, those things have to be correct. Because you can't make adjustments to accounts without having the correct payments applied to the correct plans. All right. So, what does a career growth path look like? You want mastering cash posting builds a foundation to move anywhere in revenue cycle. Your precision and understanding of payment flows open doors throughout healthcare finance. So, your entry level point will be the cash posting specialist. You are mastering payment accuracy and reconciliation fundamentals. Your next step would be the senior cash posting specialist. Mentor junior staff, handle complex payer batches, and lead quality initiatives. All right. Next, we're looking at the AR specialist and revenue integrity analyst. You transition into follow up and collections or ensure clean claims and payment flow. All right. Your next step would be a payment integrity specialist. Audit payer accuracy, recover underpayments, and ensure contractual compliance. Next, we have reimbursement supervisor. Manage payment posting teams, set productivity standards, and train staff. And last, we have a revenue cycle manager / director. Lead end-to-end financial operation, strategic planning, and organizational impact. All right. Okay, so essential tools and software with this platform. Now, we're looking at Epic, Cerner, Athena, Allscripts. Now, this is subject to vary depending on where you work at. But these are the primary platforms where you'll post your payments, apply adjustments, and maintain patient account records. Each system has unique workflows, but core concept remains consistent. So you're going to be basically familiarizing yourself with different systems. At my job, we do not work with any of these systems, so it depends, you know. You just got to familiarize yourself with it. Make sure you understand the basis and the foundation, and you will be successful. Now, we have clearinghouses that you'll be working with, like Waystar, Ability, and Change Healthcare, which I'm familiar definitely with Ability and Change. Intermediaries that facilitate electronic data, ensure exchange between provider and payer. You'll download ERA files and verify claim status through these portals daily. Now, you may, like, once again, you may or may not be doing this. I know this aspect of the role to be the responsibility of someone else, but like I said, depends if you're in a hospital or in a doctor's office. Me myself, I work in a hospital. All right. Reconciliation tools, you'll definitely be using Excel and Google Sheets, essential for building daily reconciliation reports, tracking variances, and creating audit trails. Advanced functions like the lookup and pivot tables are invaluable skills. All right, and lastly, we have lockbox systems, banking portals, and deposit tracking software, systems that process patient payments and ensure insurance checks. You you'll match these deposits to posted amounts to ensure nothing slips through the crack. So we want to make sure all the payments get posted or somebody will be looking for that money. There's plenty of things we have going on now where some of these payments haven't been posted and they're supposed to have been posted like a month or so ago. So I'm not sure what's going on. But when you do see trends like that happening or anything that's preventing automatic payment posting, you want to make sure you're identifying uh, those things. Okay. Now, the impact of your work. Revenue at risk. Percentage, this 15 to 20% is the percentage of healthcare organization revenue that flows through payment posting. Your accuracy directly impacts healthcare impacts financial health. All right. The 98% accuracy standard is the precision rate that separates good from great specialists, ensuring organizational financial integrity. All right. And the 24 to 48 hours is the critical hour time window for posting payments to maintain healthy cash flow and accurate financial reporting. All right, so you want to have those payments posted within the 24 to 48 hours. Like I said, it's not good to be, backed up and overflowed months and months behind because all these payments are retro paid, right? So you want to get the money in and sell it out, all right? Your role is far more important than data entry. You are a financial guardian. Every payment you accurately post ensures healthcare providers can continue delivering quality care. When you identify underpayments, you're recovering revenue that funds medical equipment, staff salary, and facility improvements. Your precision during reconciliation prevents audit findings that could cost organizations thousands of penalties. Cash posting specialists keep organizations financially healthy, enabling them to invest in better patient care, newer technology, and expanded services. Your attention to detail isn't just about numbers, it's about sustaining the healthcare mission. All right, so this is an important role, a role that is the backbone of the healthcare facility, no matter if you're in a hospital or in a doctor's office, right? Because if we don't have any money in, no money can be dispersed out to the employees, the doctors, the nurses, anybody. So what are the first steps that we are looking at? You've listened to this presentation and now you're wondering, okay, you said a whole lot. What are the first steps? All right. You want to click the link in the description below, both of them, with the terminology guide and the career roadmap. But you want to start taking online courses in healthcare revenue cycle, medical terminology, and Excel. Free resources like the AAPC and AHEMA, which is, I think, or HFMA, offer excellent introductory content. And this is not a sponsorship. Network strategically. Join LinkedIn groups for revenue cycle professionals. Attend local HFMA chapter meetings. Connect with cash posting specialists to learn about their career journeys. Next, you want to gain entry experience. Apply for entry-level positions in billing, patient access, or medical records. These roles provide exposure to the EMR systems and revenue cycle flows. And lastly, you want to invest in recognized certifications like the CRCS or the CPB. Certifications demonstrate commitment and often open doors to better opportunities and higher pay. Okay? Your precision powers healthcare. Behind every successful healthcare organization is a team of cash posting specialists ensuring every cent is counted for. Your precision helps the system run, helps the system, your precision keeps the system running. Your growth keeps it thriving. As you embark on this career journey, remember that you're not just entering numbers into a system. You're becoming an essential part of the healthcare financial ecosystem. This skill this the skills you develop as a cash posting specialist are transferable. They're valuable and increasingly in demand. Healthcare will always need detail oriented professionals who can navigate the complex world of payment posting with accuracy and integrity. All right. Excellence is not a destination, it's a continuous journey that never ends. Whether you're just starting out or transitioning from another healthcare role, this roadmap gives the foundation for a rewarding career. Stay curious, maintain your commitment and accuracy, and embrace opportunity for growth. Your future in healthcare revenue cycle management starts with the first perfectly posted payment. All right, ready to begin? Review this roadmap regularly, set specific career milestones, and celebrate each achievement along the way. Your journey to becoming a skilled medical cash posting specialist starts today. And that wraps up today's episode of Medical Careers You Didn't Know About. Now, you know how medical cash posting specialists keep the financial side of healthcare running smoothly, posting payments, balancing accounts, and making sure every dollar finds its place. If this sounds like a career that fits your skills and personality, don't forget to grab the free medical terminology guide. Click the link in the description below. It's a great way to get started learning the language of healthcare. And for those who want to go deeper and more serious about becoming a medical cash posting specialist, make sure you grab the Career Roadmap PDF. It includes detailed salary information, skill building tips, and a clear path plan for advancing in the healthcare revenue cycle. Before you go, make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with someone who's exploring their next career move. Your support helps this series grow and reach more future healthcare professionals just like you. And if you would like to support the channel even further, I do have an eBay and Mercari store that have physical products such as pins, Kate Spade and Bessie Johnson jewelry, etc., etc. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please sure to leave a 5-star review or comment to let me know what you would like to see next. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep discovering medical careers you didn't know about. Bye-bye.